Today we talk about how can you disable contact once notifications on your Nextdoor app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video here. So then it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on groups and contacts, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here and you will find here contact once. Can you disable it for email and for app? Then here for next door notifications, just click on it. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean contact once notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.